Hey there, savvy investors. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex financial processes into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're tackling how to redeem your shares through HSBC Daymod in 2025. If you're an HSBC Daymod account holder, redeeming your shares has never been easier, but it's important to follow the right steps to avoid any hiccups. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your HSBC Daymod account is up to date. In 2025, HSBC has streamlined their platform with enhanced security features, so start by logging into your account using your username, password, and possibly a two-factor authentication code sent to your registered mobile or email. This is crucial for protecting your investments. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Portfolio or Holdings section. Here, you'll see a list of all your shares. Look for the specific shares you want to redeem, maybe those stocks that have appreciated nicely. Click on them to select, and then hit the Redeem or Sell button. Remember, in 2025, HSBC might require you to confirm your KYC details, so have your documents ready if prompted. Next, you'll be taken to a redemption form. Enter the number of shares you want to sell, choose your settlement option, like direct bank transfer or another method, and review any associated fees. HSBC often has competitive rates, but double-check for any minimum redemption amounts to avoid surprises. After filling out the details, verify everything carefully. This includes the share price, total amount, and your bank account details for the proceeds. Once you're satisfied, confirm the transaction. You'll get an instant confirmation email or notification. Finally, sit back and wait. Processing times can vary, but with HSBC's efficient 2025 system, it usually takes 1 to 2 business days. Keep an eye on your account for updates and any tax implications on your gains. There you have it. Redeeming shares through HSBC Daymod is straightforward when you follow these steps. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay invested and smart. Thanks for watching.